Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into the EluraBlend Women's Synthetic Lace Front Wig Bennett, a piece designed for a flawless, natural look. With features like a 100% hand-tied lace front and ready-to-wear construction, it's marketed as a premium choice for those seeking convenience and style in one. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Bennett Wig is part of EluraBlend's Monofusion line, which focuses on delivering high-quality, ready-to-wear wigs that are easy to style straight out of the box. This lace front wig offers a generous overall length of 22 inches, with a bang length of 4 to 4.5 inches and sides that range from 9 to 11 inches. It's designed to fit average head sizes, typically between 21 and 22 inches, with an adjustable elastic band for a customizable fit. The color I'm reviewing here is 12S28, a beautiful blend that strikes a balance between warmth and depth, making it perfect for those who want a rich yet versatile shade. Now, how did the Bennett fare in real-world testing? Let's talk wearability. First off, the fit is very comfortable. The lace front construction makes the wig feel lightweight, which is ideal if you plan on wearing it all day. I was able to adjust the elastic straps easily, and the cap sits snugly without feeling tight or too loose. The fibers are soft and smooth, which is typical of synthetic hair, but they still hold up well in different conditions. Whether I wore it out on a windy day or through a long work shift, the wig maintained its style and volume without too much frizz or tangling. When it comes to styling, this wig doesn't require a lot of effort. The ready-to-wear nature of the monofusion fibers means you can pretty much shake it out and go. The bangs frame the face nicely, but you can always trim them for a more personalized look if needed. That said, I did notice that synthetic wigs like this can sometimes lose a bit of their bounce over time, especially if they're exposed to humidity or extreme heat. But on the whole, it held its shape well. As for the pros, the lightweight, hand-tied cap construction is definitely a standout. It gives a natural feel, and the synthetic fibers are well-crafted, mimicking human hair without being overly shiny or stiff. The adjustable straps are a great addition, providing a customizable fit, which is crucial for comfort. On the flip side, I did encounter a couple of minor downsides. The synthetic fibers, while soft, don't have the same longevity as high-quality human hair. After a few wears, the ends did show signs of fraying, which is typical for synthetic wigs, but something to keep in mind if you're looking for a long-term investment. Additionally, synthetic wigs can't be heat styled, so you're limited in terms of changing the texture or curl pattern. Is the Bennett worth the price? The cost is in line with other premium synthetic lace front wigs, and while it may seem like a splurge, it's definitely an affordable option for those who want a high-quality, easy-to-wear wig without breaking the bank. The durability is decent for synthetic hair, and given how quickly you can pop it on and go, I'd say it offers solid value for money. When comparing it to other synthetic lace fronts on the market, the Bennett stands out for its hand-tied construction and the high-quality synthetic fibers that give it a realistic look. You may find wigs at lower prices, but they might not offer the same natural finish or comfort. If you're looking for something even more budget-friendly, there are plenty of options, though they might not have the same ease of wear or versatile styling options. As for build quality, the Bennett is well made. The hand-tied lace front is lightweight, breathable, and designed for extended wear. The cap fits well and doesn't pinch or irritate the scalp, even after a few hours. That being said, the synthetic fibers are more prone to fraying than human hair, so expect a bit of wear and tear over time. Customer support with EluraBlend has been pretty solid. While I didn't need to contact them personally for this review, the brand is known for responsive customer service and handling inquiries professionally, which is always a good sign when buying a higher-end product. To wrap things up, the EluraBlend Women's Synthetic Lace Front Wig, Bennett, offers a good balance of quality, comfort, and style. Its synthetic fibers mimic human hair well, and the hand-tied lace front construction ensures a comfortable, natural fit. While it's not perfect, no wig is. It's a solid choice for those who need a stylish, easy-to-wear wig that won't require a lot of maintenance. I'd recommend it to anyone looking for an everyday wig that can easily transition from casual to formal looks. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in. If you've tried this wig, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for visiting Beautyistic, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.